Hi dear students, doctors and NEET PG aspirants. I welcome you all to the NEET PG 2022 crash course by Koncpt, which is going to be held at Chennai from March 19th to May 7th. I am Dr.Narendar, faculty of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, and the crash course is going to kick-start with Forensic Medicine and Toxicology on March 19th. Usually, we tend to get 10 to 12 questions from Forensic Medicine and Toxicology in NEET PGs. This crash course will highlight the high-yielding topics like sexual offences, medical jurisprudence, medical negligence, injuries, and toxicology per se as a whole, and many legal aspects of medicine. The knowledge will be imparted via case studies, images, workbook, etc. Kindly do join the crash course to achieve your goals sooner. Thank you.